Rahul Gandhi and Tejaswi Yadav kick-started their voter Adhikar Yatra alleging vote chori in Bihar. But that Yatra is taking multi-dimensional picture, including the one which we are getting you right from ground zero from Katihar. That is Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, who is inside a Makhana farm. This is a Makhana farm, Foxnut farm, where Rahul Gandhi suddenly stopped his carcade and entered the farm when he saw these workers, doing the makhana or foxnut farming. And after that, he's interacting directly with these farmers, understanding as to how this is unfolding on the ground. So, two motives. Number one motive, obviously, is to consolidate and send across this narrative of vote chori allegation or the electoral irregularities. The second agenda is to send across the message to the cadre of the party, whether it be of the RJD or of the Congress party or Mahagathbandhan India bloc, that you have to fight on the front foot. And third is to understand the real issues on the ground, like this one, Rahul Gandhi doing it on the spot. And the understanding is that, like when he stopped a few kilometers back, he was trying to understand from Darbhanga workers who come down to Katihar to do the farming of or labor in the makhana industry. So, multi-dimensional aspects from the ground, pictures from the ground, which these leaders are trying to understand. On one side, you have PM Modi attacking the Mahagathbandhan, accusing them of corruption, indulging in corruption and taking Bihar in the age of Gunda Raj or Jungle Raj. On the other side, you have Rahul Gandhi, Tejaswi Yadav duo along with Mukesh Sahni and Dipankar Bhattacharya leading this voter Adhikar Yatra on the ground, trying to connect with the local issues as well as the local vote bank. With video journalist Madan Prasad, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Katihar.